Welcome to our intro video to Galooli Smart GPS Tracker, the definitive solution to help track and monitor your battery activity, all in real time. ZonMax is the application which will provide all the real-time data you need to manage and protect your battery. To install ZonMax on your machine, please ensure you meet the following requirements. To install ZonMax, click on the following link. The login screen allows for an easy and quick login process. To log in, enter your username and password provided by your system administrator. Select your preferred language and click Login. The location display provides a graphic real-time representation of the location, movement, and status of the battery. Users may access the location menu by clicking the location icon in the top navigation. The organization hierarchy consists of several levels. Fleet consists of several group of units. Group consists of several units. Unit represents unit attached to a battery. The location menu consists of several main sections as follows: organization hierarchy, unit icon, data box. Alternate between satellite and map view. Keep selected unit centered on map. Zoom in and out of the map. This can also be achieved by scrolling the mouse wheel. Units appear in the map in different colors based on their status as follows. Yellow displays units in maintenance mode. The unit is connected to the battery for configuration. During this mode, the unit is not operational. White displays units in storage mode. This is a standby mode during storage and shipment. During this mode, the unit is not operational. Green displays units in cabinet mode. The unit automatically switches to in-cabinet mode once the battery voltage reaches a defined threshold. This is the operational status of the unit. Any vibration or movement will transition the unit to in-tracking mode. Red displays units in tracking mode. Once the unit detects movement or vibration, the user will receive a notification via email, SMS, or pop-up, and can begin monitoring the data and location of the unit in real time. Gray displays units in cutoff mode. These units are in cabinet mode but have no connection to the server for over 2 days. The data box displays the data of the last transmission of the unit, including current location, status, voltage, and temperature. Selecting the events icon will open the events window displaying recently recorded events. Clicking on the unit within the event will center it on the map. Units can be searched by entering the name of the unit in the search box. Clicking on the value selected will center the unit on the map. We hope you enjoyed this short video on how to track and monitor your batteries. For more helpful tutorial videos, check out our website